dripping, stole to arrive, like a heart that is ticking. How you love me, baby, like the end of it is written inside.
It's so hard to possess. It's a beautiful mess, time after time. It's so hard to possess. It's a beautiful mess, time after time. two sides of a coin. They each feel they walk the earth alone. It's a story about two men, but if we're honest, well then Goldman gets more paid than his friend. Right in the middle, where nothing ever grows. It's a binary riddle, 0-1 code. Amsterdam, are you there? with an age you've already been for a whole year and sell that as an adventure to you. They will blank out your face in the makeup room. They will tempt you with fame that will make you invisible. It's August the 7th, and the winning numbers are 23, 17, 9, 11, 39, 36, 5, 18. With a new instrument, cause they hate practicing the old ones. They will tempt you with new ideas. David Bowie had ages before you. They will offer you a glass of glue wine at a book burning. Tempt you with a freedom that was imposed on them by their parents. Beware of that. Don't give in to temptation. Don't give in to temptation. Amsterdam! Just don't! Super bedankt om hier zo talrijk aanwezig te zijn. Jullie waren fantastisch en deze is een prachtige plek om te mogen spelen. Dus merci en tot de volgende. Ciao! How I used to touch your beauty, and now you're a song from an open window to me. Girl, it's in the future we belong. I know it's in the future we belong. Different stones and different kinds of water, while you ran into the arms of others. Babe, it's in the future we belong. No, it's in the future we belong. Are you projecting the movie with your stars?
future we belong. For now, until I move on.